Hey, what's up, my workout buddies? What I do is I lift free weights every other day, and on the alternate days is cardio days. So what I'll do is do a combination of running and hitting the heavy bag. And I'm feeling really strong today, so I think we're going to get in a really good workout. And also, I'd like to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. And speaking of Thanksgiving, Stephanie made 3 pies that are out of this world. And also, our daughters did some cooking as well too for the holiday. And so, after the workout, you're more than welcome to come and join us for Thanksgiving dinner. And right now, just get in the garage and come on, let's start lifting. Okay, I think that was another good strong workout. Doing the standard press, always good for the shoulders. Doing those skull crushes with the 100-pound dumbbell, always a challenge, but we really work on those triceps. And doing the flies with the 100-pound dumbbells, that's always a challenge. I'm still glad that I can do those. And then as far as getting the 300 bench press today, so that really did make a good strong day. And now, and don't forget now, we've got some good Thanksgiving eating, so I appreciate if you stick around for that. And remember, we all have to stay pumped.
I crumbled ginger snaps in the food processor. I melted butter to make a ginger snap crust.
Oh, Stephanie put the pie in the downstairs fridge. Let's just check it out. It's looking good. Oh, so this is the butterscotch pecan pie. The aroma is killing me.
I'm putting the crumb topping on apple pie, which makes it called French apple pie.
Lattice apple and French apple crumb.
That's right. Vanessa, just pick it up. That's not how you do it. A tablespoon of butter.
A store of paper towels somewhere. Ran past me just now, it was black.
Miss Brody. What?
That's it. No. So one day I said, screw this, and I went online to Russ's Door.
They're so good, yeah.
So I bought all those things, right?
Where does this pair of scissors go? I'll be there in a second. No, no, no.
Just a reminder to never bench press alone and unprotected. Always use some type of safety spotter arms, or better yet, an actual spotter. And remember to please like and subscribe. There's no cost to that, and I would appreciate it very much. And also comments are very welcome. Thank you.